Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video today to show you how I'd go about cutting holes in tiles. These two rad pipes here are a perfect example for showing you how I do it. Enjoy. If you don't have a tile to mark off, draw a line up the wall. Then using the tape, mark the pipe or pipes if you have two on the tape measure. Mark the width and the length, allowing a spacer joint, just as you can see I'm doing there. Then with your tape on the end of the tile, transfer your marks onto the tile. Use something straight to connect the marks up. You should end up with a box. Then taking our 30mm core bit, put it on the square and draw around it as a guide, like so. There we go, 2 holes marked, ready to cut. Screw it onto your angle grinder's nut, push your grinder onto the guide you just drew and then start massaging the hole. Don't go directly down, go at a slight angle and around it. This will preserve the life of your core bit. Cutting ceramic tiles like this, it will go through them like butter. When cutting through porcelain, splash a bit of water. It will keep the core bit cool and make the hole a lot easier to cut. And that's it. Using these angle grinder drill bits makes cutting holes an absolute breeze. It's a no-brainer for anyone with a grinder. They just screw onto a normal nut. You can get them in various different sizes. They are my go-to for cutting any hole and highly recommended. Any questions, ask us in the comments, guys. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Take care and I'll catch you in the next one.